What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom links or buttons in your Steam profile. So first off, you need to install the Steam application from the Steam's official website. And after installing the application, on the right side, you can see your account section where you can see this manage account button. Click on this button and then click on view my profile. And after clicking on view my profile, your profile window will appear. From here on the right side, click on edit profile. And when you come to your edit profile section, here under the general section, you will see the option of custom URL. From here, you can add your own link or your own URL, whatever you like to say. And after adding your custom URL, it will be automatically changed to a button. So this is how you can add a button or a link to your Steam profile. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.